Motion problem. Kobe and Jordan in a separate bus. Both of them are going to the basketball court. Jordan's bus is going 20 kilometers per hour faster than Kobe's bus. They are both 100 kilometers away from the basketball court. It took Kobe one-fourth of an hour more than Jordan to get there. How fast were they going?
Step 1, representation. First, you have to make a table which has three columns labeled distance, rate, time. DRT for short. We need to make a table because we need to arrange the given values. Okay, so first, distance. Since it said in the problem that both Kobe's bus and Jordan's bus was 100 kilometers away from the basketball court, that is our distance. For rate, since Kobe's bus's speed wasn't described, the value would be x. And then since Jordan's bus's speed had a description which said it was faster by 20 kilometers per hour, we'll put x plus 20 on the value for Jordan's rate. So to get the time, it is distance over rate. So for Kobe, it's 100 over x. And then for Jordan, it's 100 over x plus 20. Step 2 is equation. We have to use the times given in the table so that we would be able to find how fast they were going. Then I used the extra one-fourth that Kobe needed to finish and get to the basketball court and put it in the side of Jordan so that it would balance the equation. Step 3, solution. Okay, so we get the LCD of all terms and then multiply it so that we could take out the denominators on all the terms.
X be cancelled out, so it will be 100 times 4 times x plus 20 equal to 100 times x times 4 since x plus 20 got cancelled out, plus x times x plus 20 since 4 got cancelled out this time.
Then we simplify.
By multiplying 100 to 4 and then distributing 400 to x plus 20, so it becomes 400x plus 8000 equal to the product that you will get when you multiply 100 to x and 4, which is 400x, plus the product when you distribute x to x plus 20, which is x squared plus 20x. Transpose 400x and 8000 to the other side because x squared is there and you need a trinomial to factor it out. It is now x squared plus 20x minus 8000 equal to 0.
And then factor.
Trying to figure out the factors are just trial and error, so you need time for this. We found out that the factors are x plus 100 and x minus 80, which will be equal to 0. Next is zero factor property. Isolate x, so you have to transpose 100 to the other side so it becomes negative 100. Then to isolate x in negative 80, transpose negative 80 to the other side so it becomes 80.
But since there's no negative speed, so we'll have to use 80. Step 4 is checking. Substitute x in the equation with 80 and check if it is a true statement. Then, if it is correct, it is our final answer.
It is now 100 over 80 equal to 100 over 80 plus 20 plus 1/4. Get all of their LCDs, so it is 4 times 80 plus 20 times 80. 80 will get cancelled out, so it's 4 times 80 plus 20 times 100 equal to 4 times 80 times 100, since 80 plus 20 got cancelled out for this one. Then plus 80 plus 20 times 80 since 4 got cancelled out. Then add 80 and 20 so it will become 100. Then multiply 4 to it. It will now become 400 times 100 equal to the product of 4 times 80, which is 320. Then times 100 plus the sum of 80 and 20, which is 100, multiplied to 80, which is 800. Simplify it by multiplying and adding it all up without transposing any number, since this is just to check if the values that you got is correct. Multiply 400 to 100, then multiply 320 to 100, and their product would be 32,000, then add 800. Both of them are 40,000, so they are equal, meaning this statement is true.
Our fifth and final step is answer. Since the given value in our checking was 80 and then it
Was correct. So that is our answer for Kobe since he is X.
Kobe's bus had a speed of 80 kilometers per hour, and then for Jordan's bus it's 100 kilometers per hour since it's x plus 20.
And also, because he is faster than Kobe. Remember, Reska. Read the problem at least 3 times in order for you to come up with the right equation. Don't get the negative value for checking. Don't forget to change the sign when transposing numbers. This is all, and thank you for watching.